Hi guys, in this video I will show you on how to change background color of your photo. The method that perfectly made to help you change background color of your photo is aPowerSoft Background Eraser. It is a desktop program that you can use if you want to change your background photo into a plain color. It has awesome plain colors that can be used in any photo once you upload and process it on your computer. To use this tool, just download the software on its official webpage and follow the instructions to install it on your computer. Once done, open the program, then tap the portrait recognition or add the recognition for your method. Next, you can drag or click the plus sign icon at the middle of the interface to upload photo you want to edit. Then, click the Change Background option so you can click Color tab to choose color you want to use for your background. Then finally, tap the Save icon to instantly save it on your computer. And that is how you change background color of your photo using aPowerSoft Background Eraser. Thank you for watching!